Nice.
And just didn't know if I could do it. And I just did what you told me to do and then doubled the rate on that call, got a close. And now I've been just doing that ever since. And I've gotten, in the last couple of weeks, probably like 7 or 8 more clients, like at a double
Nice.
rate,
So
just from
that's
you sharing like 3 sentences with me.
7 more clients at 3K now, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And we're just getting started.
Okay, you good? You
I'm
ready?
good. I'm
Okay,
good.
cool. All right, welcome to the 10K Club, Robia. Welcome. Give yourself a hand. No, congratulations. That's awesome. So what was the biggest problem that you had that drove you to choose us? Why did you do that? What was the biggest
Well,
problem
I
you were
would say the
having?
biggest problem is, I've been doing my online coaching for a few years and it's been going along, but I just haven't found the system. I really wanted something I could plug in that I knew was going to keep generating. So I had been doing the launch mode. So I would do these big online launches and all this pressure and spend all this ad money and, only get like, the usual like 2% conversion. And so that was okay. It was like enough to kind of get by, but then all these thousands of people would fall by the wayside. And I didn't know how to follow up with them. And then, it just wasn't enough. Like it wasn't enough. It was so much work for such little payoff, and then I was like, how often am I going to do this? Am I just going to launch every week? Like I can't handle it. I can't handle the stress. So I just wanted a system that I knew would continually be working so that I can bring people in all the time. So that's what led
Makes
me to you.
sense. And
Yeah.
what did you initially like about us? What drove you to that decision?
Well, I think initially just connecting with you and your webinar
Hmm.
and just all the things that aren't working that you hit so beautifully,
Hmm.
because when you're out there looking at what works, there's just so many options,
Mm.
and I was like, do I have to post on social media 1,000 times a day? Do I have to do all of these things? And I was just like, what works? I just want to know what works because I'll do it. I'll do the work. I just want to know what works and not like dissipate all of my energy doing these things that don't produce any results.
Makes sense.
So I love that you just laid it out. You're like, this doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. And I tried a lot of the things you said. Like I'd been high ticket, and then you get some of the pushback from that. So I was like, I'm going to go low ticket. I'm
Mm.
going to do membership because then thousands are going to want to do it if it's so cheap. And it was so crazy, Ed, because literally I got the same conversion rate when I was offering a product for $100 as when I was offering it like for $1,000 or $2,000.
Oh
And
yeah,
then
I
I was
know.
dealing with everything you said, like everything you said in the webinar. I was like, yes, yes. You're like, yeah, you do low ticket and then you get a certain kind of person and there are a lot of problems and everyone's canceling. And I was like, that's exactly what's happening. So I switched my whole business model over to membership. And then I was like, that's not working.
Mm.
So really it was that. It was you just saying like, this doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. And I was like, done it, done the challenges, done the launches, done the membership, done this. And you're like, this works. And then of course you had all your testimonies and all the great feedback. And my husband and I just connected with you. Like when we heard you, we were like, yes, you're just so knowledgeable. You've tested a million things and spent $1 trillion testing, which obviously like is very valuable.
Mm.
And we love that you've been a coach. So
Mm.
many people, my husband especially feels like this. He's like, there's so many people out there telling you how to scale your business. And like their whole business is scaling your business, but they've never actually had a business of their own. So he was like, we love that you're a coach, that you like care about people. You really care about serving people. You understand what it is to be a coach, and then you know how to scale it. So all of those factors, we kind of love you. We just do.
No, I
We kind of
appreciate
love
that.
you.
I mean, thank
And I
you.
love your responses to the haters. I love that too. Like I love on Facebook the way you respond to people. I was like, I love him. Like I love that he just like hits back with so much humor, with so much like knowledge to people. It's just like, bam, take that.
It's a funny world though out there. Like and I do feel sorry for a lot of people because there are so many ways of which people think should work, and it makes total sense. Like that, the low price one. I feel again because I've tested everything myself, and we still test. So I know what it's like to buy something and been sold a dream and it doesn't work out, and like nothing is easy, nothing.
Right.
But there are better ways in which to do it, and if you focus on those ways and you have that process in place, then it can really become a possibility and becomes real. And it makes sense. Like that low price one is a tough one because it makes sense. You go like, wow, like if they're buying, they're not buying here, then surely they buy at this.
I
And
was
it's
really
just,
shocked at that one because I had so much pushback, like, I just can't afford it. And why do you charge so much? And
you're
then I
like,
did the cheaper one, and most of those people didn't even come in when
yeah,
they had the opportunity. And then when they did, they all quit in like a month or two. I was like, do
it's,
you understand?
and that's when I say buyer behavior. So what we look at is buyer behavior. And so you can look at like, I think this will work, right? And it makes sense if I get, you know, you see people with like millions of followers and you think, well, it kind of makes sense if you sell a percentage of them, but you have to understand how people purchase. And that is a completely different vehicle. And, then of course, like most people are following the 1% in any market. And if you're looking at all of those things, then the whole thing becomes even more complicated because
I
they've got
loved how
so
you
many
just broke it
things.
down on our call the other day. You were like, 1,000, 1 million followers equals this percentage, equals this percentage, equals this percentage, equals like 3 buyers. I was like,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, that's so
Which,
good.
and it's, yeah, it changes the whole thing.
Yeah.
So what's been your biggest win? Like, what have you enjoyed the most about being with us so far? And your husband has now come in as well. That's
James in the
amazing.
house.
We're just doing a little story of what's happening, and then we'll get down to any specifics you need. So what's the specific things you've enjoyed the most so far? I know it's early days. Like sometimes people say the support, sometimes people say like the ad, sometimes people say the closure process, sometimes they say the funnel, email sequences, or the whole thing. Would there be anything specifically that's the most valuable for you so far?
You want to jump in, James? Or you want me to
Sure.
start?
Yeah, I would say the first thing is just you really just drill it down, Ed. You really drill down just going through the process. And I think that comes with the experience of being a coach and understanding people and human behavior, and just knowing that our minds can run ahead so far, and we have all these expectations that can happen or maybe not happen, but just really like you know keeping it really simple and drilling down the basic fundamental stuff that needs to be put in place. I think
I think
that's
that,
really
I hear you. Like, unfortunately, like most people don't ever see what those basics are, and so therefore it's like, and unfortunately today most people have an understanding around things that they should do, but don't really have the foundations. But what's been your biggest win so far with us, between like personally or financially? What's the biggest win so far?
For me, it's been helping to dial in my calls, my strategy calls with
Cool.
people, and just really getting some of those techniques refined and getting some of my own mindsets. I mean,
So,
like you and I had a group call a couple of weeks ago, and I had, shared something with you, and you just basically gave me one tip. And I literally had a call right after we got off the phone. God bless you. Was that a sneeze? And then I doubled the rate of my course,
nice.
and just didn't know if I could do it. And I just did what you told me to do, and then doubled the rate on that call, got a close. And now I've been just doing that ever since. And I've gotten, in the last couple of weeks, probably like 7 or 8 more clients, like at a
Nice.
double rate,
So
just from
that's
you sharing like 3 sentences with me.
seven more clients at 3K now, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
and we're just getting started.
And I feel like
You
we're
said
just getting started.
18K in the last couple of weeks or so. Is
Yeah.
that, yeah?
Like
Around
literally
that.
yesterday, I had an $8,000 day.
Yeah, nice.
And so, like, that's just a great day. If
It's
we can have a
always a
few of
good
them,
day.
that's a great day. Like, if we can
This is a
have a
great
few of
day.
those in a week, because when I came into you, I said, I really just, don't want to make 20 or $30,000 doing a
Mm,
launch and then that's it for a few months. It's like,
hmm
that's really not like a life that's just not enough to live off of,
mm,
So how can we just even get to the like 40K a month just to feel like, okay, that's like a great base, and then
yeah.
to scale from there. And now this seems totally doable when you're
Mm.
having like $8,000 days or $15,000 weeks. You just have a few of those together and you're on your way.
Drip feed. Drip feed is far more superior than any launch process based on, like, again, you're consistently selling. And if you're consistently selling, you're gonna make more. It's as simple as that. But okay, cool. What would you tell someone that was on the edge of potentially joining?
If someone was on the edge of potentially joining, I would say I've done a lot of options. Like this wasn't my first rodeo. I've done a lot of marketing courses. I've worked with a lot of different ads people. And I will say, hands down, this is the best. This one is the best. I would recommend it to anyone. I feel like you really over deliver. Like you say you're going to do all these things and you do them and more. And I think that's what's scary for all of us when we're going to step into a program. We all, and as coaches, we feel that. We feel people that are going to buy from us. They're like, are you really going to deliver? Are you going to really give us what you're saying you're going to do? And I always feel, for me, like I try to over deliver. I'm like, I'm telling you a lot of things, but trust me, like I'm going to really even do more than what I say. And I feel that with this program too. It's like first of all, just the trainings, you go through everything in the trainings that are so crystal clear. Then the support is unbelievable. Like every single day you can reach out. There's coaches available to help you with every step along the way. Yeah, we're just excited about it. We feel like this isn't like a quick, like, oh, let's just do this for a month or two. Like we're in it to continue to grow, to continue to scale. Like I feel like for the first time, we're in a place where we can really like create a business.
Yeah,
like a
nice.
real, you know what I mean? Not just like me trying to figure it out or my
Mm.
husband helping me or whatever, but like we can really now, just every step of the way, you're right there to help take us to the next level.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
We 100% are all over you, and you guys are great. So thank you for being. It doesn't happen without being amazing clients like yourself, because again, it's the right mindset today. The majority of people don't really have the right mindset. They wanna have a business, which is, it's a nice concept, and they do a little bit of posting online and like, nah, I'm all right, thanks. But like, let's get you guys clear on your next steps. So as I said, it doesn't happen without wonderful people like yourself. So give yourselves a hand. Welcome to the 10K Club.
Thanks.
And let's get you clear on the next steps.
Golf
And
10K,
let's get
10K.
your
I
next
have
zero
a quick win I have to share because I
Yeah,
think
go
this
for
is
it.
really cool, right? Because my wife I've been watching her on this journey for several years now, trying to try this, try that, and everything's had a little bit of measure of success, right? And so this has been the real system that we can see the longevity and all the things. I'm such a big vision, I can see a big vision. That's who I am. Very visionary. My wife's very like
In
practical,
the
so
moment. Yeah.
and we're a really good team.
Yeah.
But I would say that a super good win is that we finally, when I came across you, I just have to say, I just knew it. My intuitive capacity was like, I know this is
Yeah.
it. I know
He
it's
did.
it's insane.
For weeks. He's like, you've got to watch this guy. You've got to watch this guy.
Yeah.
For weeks. I'm like, just send me the link.
Very kind.
Yeah. It's just so, the win is this. We finally have something that brings my wife and I in together with this collaborative partnership that we've both really been desiring, but haven't really found a way to do it. You know, she's kind of like been off on her own, and I'm kind of like supporting her, or then I'm kind of doing something and she's doing something. But now, this is the way that we are now together, kind of like you and Dave.
Not like you and your
guys are
boyfriend.
partners, right? You work together. I have a romance. You got a bromance, right? So,
Yeah, for sure.
Friendship. Yeah.
Since day one.
Yeah.
but you can do so much more when you have. And I've always
Yeah.
believed it. I knew I was going to do something with my wife, but how could it really unfold? There has to be something we can way that we can be trained and taught and have this system put in place. And that's really that's. I just wanted to share that because
Oh, I appreciate you. Look, you guys are amazing.
you've made my marriage better, Ed.
Oh, it makes life better, doesn't it? Like 100%. It's difficult. Like again, I really, like we spend a lot of time listening to the real challenges of today. We're not, we're there front end all the time, looking and listening and adapting according to what the market is saying, and then shifting into, looking at how can we outperform in the best way possible so that people can replicate exactly what we're doing. And we run the same process in multiple different niches over and over again. So, we get a lot of data. And yeah, look, guys, I appreciate you. You're amazing. Right, let's get to your next steps. Thank you for the kind words. I appreciate you both.